Welcome to our lesson about the Mate Expert tool. In my graphic area, I've got two identical plates that are mated together by two coincident mates. Now, before launching the Mate Expert, I'm going to create a problem that we'll fix in this lesson. The status bar tells me that this assembly is currently fully defined. Let's begin by activating the Mate tool. We'll select these two faces. SolidWorks gives me a warning. Both of the selected components are already fully defined, as we knew. But let's apply a coincident mate anyway. OK. And let's apply one more mate to these two faces. Again, the same message. Both of the selected components are already fully defined. Let's apply a second mate and cancel out. Now let's edit Part B. We'll right-click, Edit Sketch. I'm going to change this dimension to 20 millimeters, click OK, and surprise, surprise, the What's Wrong window opens. My Mates folder contains an error and 3 warnings. There's a difference, by the way, between the warning and the error. The mates that are over-defined and not satisfied result in an error, as with my first mate, coincident 1. The components can't be moved to a position which satisfies the mate. The circles are not coincident. Mates that are over-defined but nonetheless satisfied result in a warning message. This mate is over-defining the assembly. For our error message, there's simply a separation of 10 millimeters. Let's close the What's Wrong window. Exit Part Editing mode and close the What's Wrong window again. Now the status bar displays a warning message in red font, over-defined. In the Feature Manager design tree, you see that my mates have got error icons and warning icons next to them, and many of them are in red font also. For an explanation of the problem, I can mouse over each one. A mate with the warning symbol over-defines the assembly, but nonetheless, the relationship is satisfied. In other words, even though it over-defines my assembly, the faces are still coincident. And that's the same for all of the other coincident mates that have the yellow exclamation icon next to them. The mates with the error icon next to them, that's the red circle with the white X, are simply unresolved. These two edges are obviously not coincident. So let's bring in the Mate Expert to help us solve some of these problems. Let's right-click on the Mates folder, select Mate Expert. In the Non-Satisfied Mates section, I've got a single item. Let's click on it and then scroll down to see what's wrong with this mate. The circles can't be moved into a position which satisfies this mate. Let's click on Diagnose to analyze this problem. In the Analyze Problem Results window, we've got two subsets. SolidWorks groups mates that cause problems together. You can click on the mate and it'll be highlighted in the graphic area. Let's check the second subset. To solve this problem, we're going to need to fix coincident 1. Let's right-click on it and select Suppress. We can also select Edit Mates. Notice that in the Not Satisfied Mates section, coincident 1 is now grayed out, and we don't have the error symbol next to it or a message down below. Let's click Accept. The assembly remains fully defined, and the warning and error symbols are gone. Now if I try to right-click on the Mates folder, the Mate Expert is no longer available. Let's go to Tools. You'll see that the Mate Expert is also grayed out. Let's right-click and unsuppress this mate. And let's close the What's Wrong window. Double-click on the over-defined message. Let's select coincident 1 from the View Mate window. Here we've got a few options for fixing the problem. We can flip the mate, force the mate, edit the mate, or suppress it. Let's select Force the mate and click Close. Now coincident 1 is over-defined but satisfied. However, we've got a 10 millimeter gap at coincident 4. Let's force that mate as well. Now let's right-click and suppress coincident 1. The assembly is fully defined, and we don't have any error or warning messages now. This concludes our lesson about using the Mate Expert tool.